Welcome back, people. As you probably guessed from the title, this is going to be an unboxing video for the Fujifilm X-H1. But before I get into it, I want to say I hope you enjoyed the video last week making the maple bourbon cocktail. Shay and I had a lot of fun making that video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Something a little different and something I hope to do more of. More to the point, I've been a Fujifilm user since 2012. When I purchased the X-M1. I've loved Fuji since the first time I started shooting on it. Fujifilm cameras have a weird allure to them that just make you want to go out and shoot pictures. Like, they feel great in your hand. And I recently picked up the X-H1 when it went on crazy sale, and I've been amazingly impressed with it. And this is kind of just a fun little video of me on the day that it came in the mail. I look forward to putting this camera through its paces. I hope you enjoy the video. Let's get into it. See you. This is the part of the video where I struggled to get the battery grip on, not realizing I had left one of the small electrical connection covers on. So enjoy my fumbling around, but don't worry, I got it figured out. Back to it.